Hello everyone. Just wanted to do a short video and let you guys know a little bit about what it's like here in Florida, trying to prepare for the storm. So I've done a few clips of things that we've done, and I will show you those now. So y'all watch. If you have any questions, please put it in the comments below. Thank you. We've done our food prepping and making sure that we have plenty of water. I've already taken care of that. We have plenty of supplies in the house to last us for a few days. And as far as power, I have my generator with my gasoline cans filled. And I also have two 20-pound tanks of propane and my Blackstone griddle. I don't have a gas stove. I have an electric stove in the house, so I would need another cooking source in case our power was out for any length of time. But all is good here, and we have all of our supplies in place. Everything on the outside has been secured so that there's no flying debris in the yard. So I think we're in a good spot. I'll just show you a little of our preparation. Hi everyone. I'm doing some hurricane preparedness since we have no idea exactly where this Hurricane Ian is going to land or how severe it's going to be. It's possible that Jacksonville could be on the back east side of the hurricane, which is always stronger winds. We could potentially lose power, and I don't want to be without water. So I have my water tank in the truck here, and I'm sanitizing it so that because I haven't used it all summer, and I want to have fresh water for the family in case we need it. I've already put bleach in the tank. I just took a funnel and poured a cup of bleach in here. You use 1/4 cup of bleach for every 16 gallons of water. So I had to calculate, and 1 cup of bleach is what I used. So it's been sitting in here for about 7 or 8 hours now. And before it gets dark, I want to take care of this. So right now, I'm just going to be draining the tank, and then I'll fill it to flush it, and put some fresh water in there to flush the tank back out and get rid of the bleach taste and smell. And I may have to do that a time or two. So we'll see. Okay, you can try. Justin's doing some preventive work on the tree, taking down some of the limbs that may break during the storm. How do you know where to cut them, Justin?
I usually go for those real bushy points. I forget what you call them. Wide. I don't know, wide.
Okay. And down it comes. Good job. So we took down a whole bunch back here too. So we shouldn't have a lot of limbs flying around. A couple of those were getting, starting to get over the roof. And these were starting to cover this corner right here. So a lot less risk for damage to the roof.
Oh
our neighbors are cutting down one of their trees too. So everybody's just preparing. It's going after that one now. Wow, it's a good thing you're taking that one down. That surely would have come down in the storm. One other item I forgot to tell you about is we also have a transistor radio, so when the power goes out, we can keep up with the weather. This happened to belong to my dad, so it's just a little transistor radio. I don't have a weather radio in the house anymore. It's in my trailer, actually. So we do at least have a radio to keep track of what the weather's doing. Make sure you hit the thumbs up button and like the video and subscribe if you haven't already. This is only a small portion of the effects of Hurricane Ian here in Jacksonville. We pray for all of those on the western side between Tampa and Fort Myers and inland that are going to be experiencing the brunt of this storm. Pray for their safety. Pray for the workers who will be there to help all the victims and restore power and services in those communities. So please, everyone, keep them in your thoughts and prayers. And I hope we all come through this storm as safely as possible. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you the next time.